This is the part nobody explains, and it's exactly why most women never start. You hear things like, there's another way to make money. You don't have to go back to being burned out in your job. And then your brain starts working and it goes, okay, but how? And when you don't understand the how, you don't move. You don't make decisions. Not because you can't, but because it feels uncertain. Have you ever felt that way? And that's where most women, and I know I've been there, we quietly stop right there, full stop. So in this video, I want to change that. I'm going to walk you through what this actually looks like in a simple, real way. No overwhelm, no techie talk, just clarity. So stay with me, because once this clicks and you get it, you are going to realize that this is a lot more doable than it feels like right now. Because I remember exactly what it felt like in the beginning. When I knew I needed to retire and I still needed money, but I didn't have a clue how I was going to do it, I was confused. I was skeptical, and I was also intimidated by the thought of learning something new. But I was more fearful, scared of going back to a career that I couldn't do anymore. And I kept thinking, am I too late for this? Am I even going to understand it? Is this going to be too complicated for me? But underneath all of that, I kept having this quiet thought, what if it does actually work? That mix of fear and hope, that is very real, my friend. It's a very real place to be. So in the last video, I shared that there are women just like you and I creating income without going back to burnout, without punching a time clock, without picking up a second or third job or overtime shifts. But I didn't explain how in that video. So let's do that now. Because once I understood this part, the how, everything started to feel possible again. And I want you to hear this clearly and feel that possibility too. Because this isn't complicated. It's just unfamiliar. And once something becomes familiar, it stops feeling overwhelming. So let me show you this big picture, okay? So at its core, digital marketing is much simpler than it sounds. There are really just 3 pieces to it. You're going to learn a skill, you share something of value, and you get paid for it. When it helps somebody, you are providing a solution to a problem. I needed more income when this was shown to me. It was a solution to my problem. That's it. And so once I saw how simple that structure actually was, it stopped feeling overwhelming and it started feeling possible, doable. So the way this happens online might look a little bit different than what we're used to doing, especially as nurses. We are used to trading time for dollars, providing goods and services, right? So you already understand the concept because maybe you've been doing this your whole life. You help people, you guide people, you provide education, and you share what you know and love. The difference now is you're not trading all of your time to do it. Have you ever shared a favorite restaurant, a favorite new pair of jeans online? That's no different. That is digital marketing. That's influencing people. And that is where things start to shift. So let's break it down. The first step is learning the skill. Not everything, just the right things. You want to understand how people find information, understand how to communicate in a way that connects, and understand simple systems. That is it. And here's what surprised me the most. You don't need to be techie. You just need to be willing to learn. Step by step, bit by bit. Because I truly believed I wouldn't understand this either. I thought I had missed my window of opportunity. I thought I was going to be working till I dropped. But I was wrong. not because I suddenly became good at tech, but because I had the right guidance. I saw the vision, and that made all the difference for me. Being part of a community that could show me the bigger picture. And this is where things started to simply shift for me. I stopped thinking that I was behind. I started realizing I just needed a different way to earn, a different way to learn. And then the second step is sharing. And this is where a lot of women get hesitant. I know this is not that. This is different, because the thoughts that come up quickly to me were things like, I don't want to be on camera. I don't know what I'm going to say. I do not have anything special to offer. But here's the honest truth. You are not trying to be perfect. You are simply speaking to someone who's a few steps behind you. You just started sooner. You're sharing what you're learning. You're sharing what you are figuring out as you go. And isn't that just part of life? You're sharing your perspective, and that's what builds the connection. That's what builds the trust, not the perfection, not trying to give this picture of this beautiful, perfect life on camera that we know in reality is not true. So, and maybe this thought comes up too. Who would even listen to me? So let me say this gently. Somebody who feels exactly what you do right now, somebody who's tired, somebody who's unsure, somebody who just needs to see that it's possible. I know a lot of nurses like that. I know a lot of women friends like that. That's who you're speaking to. And once you understand that, this starts to feel a lot less intimidating. And now the third piece, that's where everything starts to come together. Simple systems. And I promise you, it is not as complicated as it seems. It's really, really not. If this old gal can figure it out, so can you. And hey, that's what kids and grandkids are for, right? It just means that when somebody connects with what you're sharing, there is a clear next step for them. Maybe it is a free guide. Maybe it's a video. Maybe it's a resource. And maybe behind the scenes, there are tools that guide people without me having to be there all the time. So you see what I'm getting at? It's behind the scenes, it's automated. So this is where that flexibility comes in. This is where things start to really feel different and feel good. And this is when it really clicked for me. I didn't have to be on all the time. I didn't have to be glued to my phone or be everywhere all at the same time to build something that works, something that is sustainable. Now, what does this actually look like on a day-to-day basis? It's really pretty simple. For me, it looks something like this. I spend a couple of hours a day learning. I create simple content. I respond to emails. I follow up on my content, comments on my content, DMs, things like that. I connect with people, but I let the systems do their job. Not all day, not exhausting, just consistent. And over time, that consistency builds something. Now for me, I like to work hard about 3 days a week, get it all knocked out, and then I'm free to go on and live the rest of my life. So let me be honest with you. This isn't a magic solution. It does take learning and effort, and it takes patience, but it's different from what we have always known. Because you, just like I am, are building something, not just working for something. And I'm not working for somebody else. I'm building it for me and my legacy. And that shift is what creates real options. And if you're sitting there thinking, yeah, okay, this makes more sense, but you are still wondering, really, what would I even start with? Where would I begin? What would I create? How do I know if I am doing it right? That's exactly what I'm going to walk you through in the next video. So stay tuned, my friends. We're going to go step by step in a simple, real way that you can understand, so you actually see what getting started looks like and how it can change your life and your family's life. because this is not about doing everything all at once. It's about taking the first step the right way and being consistent. So I'll see you in the next video.